I'm today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should open the notification panel, and here you can see all the visible icons on our top bar. Just to add, remove, or to change the position of some icons, you should click here on this plus icon. And here on this upper section you can see all the hide icons, and we can add some of these icons. For example, just to add the icon here, you should hold for a while and drag it here to this down section. By the same way, we can also here add for example, the camera access icon. Just hold for a while and drag it here, then just click to done, and you can see the changes here on our notification panel, so that we add just two icons here. Also, we can do it by the second way. Just click on the right upper corner and tap to edit buttons. By the same way, we'll launch the settings, and just to remove, for example, some icons, for example this one, you should hold for a while and drag it to the up section, and by the same way we can remove more icons from here. And just to change the positions of these icons, you should hold for a while the icon and drag it to the position where you want it just to, for example here, and this next one will be the third one, and by this way you can change and customize your notification panel. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.